What's the meaning of age bracket? Age bracket. Age bracket. Age bracket. Age bracket. Age bracket. The term age bracket refers to a range of ages that are grouped together for statistical or analytical purposes. Age brackets can vary depending on the context or purpose, but they are typically defined by a specific minimum and maximum age range. Age brackets are commonly used in demographic studies, marketing, political polling, and other fields that require understanding of age-related trends. For example, a sample survey may define age brackets as 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and so on, to better understand the preferences and behaviors of different age groups.